This video is not meant to provide instructions on dental procedures. The first priority is to demonstrate the new features well. Therefore, model and instrument positioning might not always be realistic. Hi everyone. I'm Anna. In this video we are presenting the highlights of the new Simodont software release version 4.16. This release introduces the newest Nissin Typodont model, the Pro 700. This model offers a highly detailed crown morphology and comes with a wide variety of tooth series for different training purposes. Based on the Pro 700 model, a whole new training concept is introduced called Target in Tooth. And 29 new exercises are made available for operative, crown, and endodontic preparations. And besides the set of new features and content, various small improvements are introduced. The Pro 700 is Nissin's newest Typodont model. The Pro 700 Simodont tooth models have an excellent resemblance to the real physical models. Thereby schools can use the two methods side by side and really create a synergy between physical and digital training. The Pro 700 is the first multi-purpose model for Simodont. It has superior details, showing the pits and grooves well. These details are preserved in the digital Simodont models. The Simodont comes with the following series that all allow you to create your own cases. The A5 single-layer sound tooth series. The A20 double-layer sound tooth series. The A27 multi-layer with caries tooth series. The B22 multi-layer with pulp chamber and root canal tooth series. And plugs. For all positions, that allow you to create all sorts of bridge cases. Please note, the Pro 700 model is only available in the USA at the moment. Target in Tooth is the concept used in our manual dexterity exercises, but this time integrated in tooth models. For this, the A21 and A25 tooth series of the Pro 700 were taken as a basis for the 12 new exercises. The information of an ideal prep was digitally captured within the sound tooth. And a leeway with a fixed width of 0.4 mm was added, to allow some tolerance. The aim for students is to remove the target completely, while touching the leeway as little as possible. On the Simodont, students can turn on and turn off the target and leeway color feedback using a toggle switch. The target and leeway information is available to the user visually, through a colored overlay on the tooth, and through real-time statistical feedback. Students can get real-time statistical feedback on target and leeway removal, which will result in a final score. Teachers can customize the score formula to their own preferences. And when used for examination, teachers can disable the color and statistical feedback for the student, while the scoring stays available through reporting. In total, there are 12 new exercises for Simodont. 6 different caries preparations and 6 different crown preparations. Besides the target in tooth exercises, there are 11 new caries models and exercises based on the Pro 700, A27 series. These teeth have natural tooth segmentation, containing enamel, dentin, and one or multiple spots of caries. The series offers various common cases. For the 3, 6 and 4/6 we offer multiple variations of caries cases. In the physical A27 tooth models, the enamel is somewhat translucent, which allows to see the caries shining through the enamel. To mimic that in the Simodont, the surface of the enamel shows grayish to indicate where the caries is located. The cases are also accompanied with artificial images of the teeth to show the location of the caries cavities. Furthermore, there are 6 new endodontic models and cases based on the B22 tooth series. Different from the other tooth series, these teeth have naturally shaped roots and have a pulp chamber and root canals, which make them suitable for access cavity exercises. The cases contain the real and artificial radiographs of the teeth. When reaching the roof of the pulp chamber, you will notice this by the red-colored walls of the chamber. And during the treatment it is possible to make the tooth semi-transparent and see the location of the pulp chamber and root canals. Besides the new model and new cases, the v4.16 release has a few new software improvements. As was already shown in the target in tooth cases video, it is now possible to do assessment of the adjacent teeth and take this into account for the pass or fail of an exercise. Another improvement related to segment statistics is the assessment of both main teeth in a bridge case. It is now possible to show the statistics of each prepped tooth in a bridge preparation. In the curriculum planner, we have added a new list view in addition to the already existing calendar view. This is useful in particular when having many short courses between long-lasting courses. When creating a report, courses are now ordered alphabetically. This makes them easier to find. And last, teachers now have the option to export the rubric results using the course data report from a case that contained rubric assessment. These were the highlights of the version 4.16 release of the Simodont software. For more information, please refer to the available documentation. These are the What's New, the content catalog, the release notes and the teacher manual. Thank you for watching.